Hi everybody, so we're going to be talking about identifying flat key signatures today. Before we do that, we have to talk about how to put a flat on the staff itself. So let's say you wanted B flat. To put B flat into a key signature, you take the flat symbol and take the center of the circular-ish part and put it on the B line. If you wanted a space note like A flat, you take the center of the flat symbol, the center of the circular part, put that on the A space, like that. Now, of course, this isn't a real key signature because B flat and A flat are not next to each other. We're going to get to that right now. There is such thing called the order of flats. You can't just put flats on the staff wherever you want. There's a specific order that they go down. The first flat that you put down is B flat. The second flat you put down, E flat. After that, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. In that order. This is your order of flats. So let's say you wanted a key signature with 3 flats on it. You have to use B flat, then E flat, then A flat. And it'll look like this. B flat, E flat, A flat. Okay? So if you're given the picture and told to identify this key signature, here's how you do it. You take the last flat put down, probably the one to the rightmost flat, and you go back 1 flat. This is E flat. The name of this whole key signature is the key of E flat major. Done. That's all you need to do for flat key signatures. In the bass clef, the principle is the same. You just have to use the bass clef letters. So let me draw a staff for you. If I wanted the key of E flat, I know this one has 3 flats. Same thing, B flat. It's just on a different line because this is bass clef. B flat, E flat. Same thing. The flat symbol is in the center of the space, and A flat. It's still 3 flats in the bass clef. They're just in different spots because the bass clef has different lines and spaces. So let's do a practice. I'll give you a minute to figure this one out. Take a second. Figure out this key signature. Your first step is probably, what clef am I reading in? Because otherwise, all of the notes will be wrong. Your next thought process is this a flat key signature or a sharp key signature? From the title of this video, you can probably infer, or just read it, that this is a flat key signature. Good job. The next thing you need to do is remember, how do we identify flat key signatures? The word skirt comes back to mind. The next thing you need to remember, how many times you use skirt? Find the last flat, skirt, back 1, time's up. This is your last flat. It's on the G line, so this is G flat. But that's not the note we need. We still need to go back one. Skirt! Right here. This is D flat. The name of this key signature is D flat major. Make sense to everybody? I'm talking to a video, so unless you comment below, I won't know. Another way to figure out the name of a flat key signature. Let's say that someone asks you, what's the name of a key signature that has 6 flats? You can either draw out all 6 flats, or you can write out the order of flats and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can still go back 1. And get G flat major. Because you've counted how many flats you went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You went back 1. That's the name of the key signature for flats. So let me give you a practice one. I want the name of a key signature that has 4 flats. Take a minute. Literally. For now, you should be looking at the order of flats, counting to 4, and then going back 1, Number 3 is the name of the key signature. You still have 30 seconds. You should be done, I think. Because luckily, if you know the order of flats, you don't have to work too hard. Or you can frantically draw the staff. Draw what you think has 6 flats. Still use the order of flats. And get to the same conclusion. Here we go. Since I wrote the order of flats for you, this should be pretty easy. 1 flat, 2 flat, 3 flat, 4 flat. Back 1. A flat major is the correct answer. Hopefully, this helps you with your homework that you should be doing over our Corona break. Identifying flats. For the homework itself, it'll show you pictures of key signatures. All you need to do is identify the name of the key signature. The assignment is posted on Edsby. You might not be able to click on it. You might have to copy, put it into your internet browser, paste, and then do the assignment. Please do not change the settings by saying, I don't know what has 7 flats, so I'm going to change the settings so it only has flats from 1 to 3. Because I can see that, and you'll have to do it again. Send the verification code, which is in the drop-down menu. Top right, there should be 3 little dots. Click on View Progress Report. Type your name into it. Send that code to me over Edsby. And you're done. Remember, for all music theory assignments that I send online, you have to attempt at least 20 questions and get 90% correct. Okay? Good luck to you.